Hello, good evening. My name is Asia. My name is Megan Brown. I've been teaching English at Central Elementary for 4 years. Learning English is pretty fast. No, it's not easy, but you have to get it started. Are you ready? Let's learn English. To start with sentence English, you're going to have to learn present pronoun and dual dealer. So let's begin. These are subject pronoun.
Alright, we learn how to ask for person contact information. But what's the best way to ask someone to meet you later?
They
Find out next time
and
in someone's English class is really
pronoun. Let's start subject pronoun with the verb. Are you ready? I am. I am happy. You are. You are smart. Now, you can switch right to the subject pronoun and to the verb.